But look at this tiny little thing.
I'm a fool for your love.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm on the floor because I'm doing an unboxing. I ordered a toaster oven from Amazon Japan and I'm gonna be unboxing it on camera. The very first thing that I noticed when they delivered the box, it's freaking light. Like, this thing is too light. First of all, I don't know where I'm gonna put this thing. That's number one. I don't have any space, but I just feel like I wanted a toaster oven because I want to like bake chicken and try other stuff, you know, with an oven. So here in Japan, a toaster oven is not really something that we would use back on the western side of the world, but you know, we don't have any space in our apartments, plus everything in Japan is small and a little different. I think that maybe I won't be able to, like, if I want to make a batch of banana bread, I probably have to do like different batches, but I can't like bake everything one time anyway. So, but look at this tiny little thing. I guess this is what you put, like, if I'm baking chicken or whatever, this is what I would put the food on. Let me just put it right here. Okay, I can see this is so small. This is too small, man. Let me take this out. I bought this for, I don't remember how much. I think it was less than 2,000 yen, or was it 2,000 yen? I don't remember how much it was, but it's very cheap. All the toaster oven on Amazon Japan, they were very affordable. And since I'm not gonna be here for long, there's no way I'm buying something that's expensive, and I probably have to give it away when I'm leaving. So yeah, I bought this tiny little thing. Of course, maybe the other's gonna be as tiny as this one, but this is so small. OMG. Look at this. You see, this is the width of it, and the length is like almost two of these. Later on I'm gonna test it and see, like probably later tonight. I want to test it and see how it would work. But this is tiny, yo. Let's go. I need to get an oven mitt so I don't burn myself, but I'm excited, truly excited. I need to read this manual because I don't wanna do anything. Anyone who speaks Japanese, can you read this? What are they trying to say? I should remove this thing. I need to I have to use my phone and use Google Translate to understand what they are saying right here. Maybe they're saying that I need to remove this thing from inside of it before I use it. I'll check this out as soon as I finish recording. That's just it. That's it. If you're coming to Japan, just know that it probably get a little bigger than this, but if you're gonna live in one of these tiny ass apartments, just know that even if you want a big oven, there's no space to put it. Okay, honey? And appliances in Japan tend to be a slight bit smaller than what we're used to, so also bear that in mind. I look hella tired because I'm coming from work, okay? Coming from work, so I am tired. And it's Thursday, almost the end of the week, so you know your girl been working every day. Okay, for use in Japan only. Okay, so if I wanted to ship this to Jamaica, which I won't, but just saying, then I couldn't be able to because they said it's only for Japan. But then they're presumptuous. If I spend my money, why are you gonna tell me only in Japan? Anyways, all of this is in Japanese. Let me put this in. You guys see what I'm working with. So I have this. Got it here and then push it in. There you go. I can bake. I can bake. I'm gonna put some bread because I had gonna take this off. I think this is supposed to come off. I have some bread that I have some bread in my fridge for like probably 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, that I won't be eating anytime soon. So that's another reason why I decided to buy this, because you know, like instead of microwaving stuff, I can just use a toaster oven. Like, you know, I think it will get the job done better. I don't know like how many minutes and stuff like that too, you know. Okay, I can see the moon outside. Is it the moon or the sun? The sun setting, I don't know. It's evening now, so it could be the moon. Anyways guys, so I'm gonna try and find somewhere to set this up, and then I'm gonna toast bread, or should I say bake. This is a toaster oven, so I guess I can say either or, I don't know. Alright, so I have these stuff that have been in my fridge for a long while, so I'm gonna just try these, and I'm gonna turn them, move this. Alright, so I found a spot for this thing, so this is where I'm gonna keep it. So I'm gonna put it on 120, and then I'm gonna put this for about 5 minutes, maybe. Yeah, about 5 minutes. My buns are baking, y'all. Here you go. So 5 minutes, guys. After 5 minutes, I'll let you guys see what is happening. Ow! It's actually warm. It's hot. But yeah, so this is it, guys. So it actually works. I'm excited to actually bake something from scratch, but it's very tiny. That's only a setback here. Tiny thing. Tiny thing. I had to like cut it right there because I don't have anywhere else to put it. But there you have it, my very own mini oven. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe guys, if you want to see content about Japan. If you have any questions about Japan, just subscribe to my channel. Like, what's so hard? You're watching my videos, so why don't you just subscribe to my channel, you know, so I can be motivated to make more videos, you know, and show you guys what I can buy in Japan, like stuff if you come in here, so that you guys can see what things you can buy in Japan, or how people in Japan live, like, you know, tiny stuff, sitting on floor, futon, you know, stuff like that. So tiny apartment, you know. So subscribe to my channel, get to see the raw version of Japan, you know, a Jamaican girl living in Japan, surviving in Japan. Anyways, so that's it. Thumbs up this video, comment if you have any questions, let me know what videos you want to see from me. I'm sorry for the angle of the camera this week, but yeah, I try to upload videos every week, so just subscribe so that you don't miss out on anything, and turn on your notification bell. Okay, all right, so until next time, subscribe and see you later. Bye. We'll be right back.